We recently announced that we are proceeding with the Goldfield project, and we're quite excited about this project at Centerra. I think when people think about Goldfield and we put out our initial resource at the end of last year, some things have changed that actually make this project far more attractive from a Centerra point of view. First and foremost, we haven't really changed the resource, but in the background, we were doing a lot of technical optimizations over the last few months and really looking at ways to optimize our crushing strategy to boost recoveries. And we were able to end up with a project that has recoveries in about the 76% range, far higher than we were looking at year end, which really helps the economics. And the second thing, obviously, is a much stronger gold price environment. Gold is up significantly since the end of last year, and that gave us the confidence to move forward with this project in this higher gold price environment, combined with the higher recoveries, just a much more attractive project from a Centerra point of view. We did put some targeted hedging in place in the first couple of years of production, to really lock in a good gold price floor and ensure we're going to have strong cash flows in the early years of operations. Now, what excites us about this project, it fits quite nicely with our existing profile. So Öksüt's going to have some natural declines in production as it heads towards the end of mining in 2029. And the good thing about Goldfield, a very simple heap leach project in Nevada, is we can get this online and into production very quickly. So we're looking at 2028 for first production, and therefore Goldfield coming online with some pretty decent production years before Öksüt really winds down at the back of its life of mine. Once Goldfield is up and running after the stub year in 2028, we have about a 40-year period where it averages over 100,000 ounces a year, and the AISC is under 1,400 for the life of mine. So it is a pretty attractive project from an economics point of view, and also in Nevada, one of the best places in the world to mine. From Centerra as well, it also fits our capital allocation profile. So the CapEx spend on Thompson Creek is going to wind down as we get into mid-2027 and we start first production. Goldfield, a lot of the capital spend is 2027 into 2028. So we're kind of moving from that CapEx investment in the moly business into a gold producing asset, which we're quite comfortable we can fund from existing liquidity. Obviously, there's some news to come on Mount Milligan and an extension, but we've looked at all the potential projects we have at Centerra. And this fits quite nicely from a low CapEx point of view to increase our ounce profile going forward. We did press go again on this project, and we're pretty excited to bring it online over the next couple of years.